Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install DBeaver latest version on Oracle Linux 10.1. Then we'll connect PostgreSQL and MySQL. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to DBeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. See here, DBeaver Community is a free open source database management tool for personal projects. Manage and explore databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. And see here we have the two types of DBeaver, Community and Pro. Pro is the commercial version, Community is the open source. In this video we are going to download and install Community Edition. Click on download. See here the latest release is 25.3. Then for Red Hat or Oracle Linux we have to download this Linux RPM package. Click on it to download. See download started and its size is about 120 megabytes. Open terminal as well. Go to downloads, CD downloads, ls. Still it is downloading. See download is completed. Go to terminal again. ls. Now install this package. Sudo rpm -ivh no deps. Then DBeaver. Press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. It is typo. See we have successfully installed 25.3. See here we have the DBeaver C. C means Community Edition. Click on it to open. Now we will connect both MySQL and PostgreSQL server. If you haven't installed MySQL or PostgreSQL on Oracle Linux, then search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Oracle Linux. Close this one. I don't want to create databases. No. Then click on database and select new database connection. Or click on this plus button. Now select MySQL. Then click on next. See MySQL is installed on this one. Localhost is fine. Port number 3306. I have the database bank. Username root. Then provide the password of this root account. Whatever the user that you are using here, that password here we have to provide. Then click on test connection. Click on download MySQL driver files. Select download. Public key retrieval is not allowed. So okay, it's a non-issue. Click on OK. Then go to driver properties. Then see here allow public key retrieval. By default it is false. Make it to true. Then click on test connection again. See successfully connected. MySQL server version number is 8.4.7. Click on OK. Click on finish. If you want to run the queries, expand this one. Expand databases. Right click on database. Then SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. Select star from customer. Then click on this execute button. See we got the output. Okay. The same way if you want to connect PostgreSQL server, go to database, then new database connection, then PostgreSQL, then click on next. Username, port number, everything is same. Then provide the password of this user. If you want to use some other user, you have to provide that user here. Then click on test connection. Download drivers. See we have successfully connected and PostgreSQL version number is 18.1. Click on OK. Click on finish. See here we have the connection details. Expand it, expand databases. See here, okay. In the same way, if you want, same way you have to run the queries, okay. So we have successfully installed ls. This file is not recorded anymore. I am removing it to clear the space. Rm viewer. Yes, we have cleared the space, okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install DBeaver latest version, that is 25 on Oracle Linux 10.1. Then we have seen how to connect both MySQL and PostgreSQL from the DBeaver, okay. For more database or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.